Okay folks, we got the camper run. It's always a good idea to run your camper, all your motors really, every month or so, especially over the winter, which we're fast approaching. But I did get mail, and I figured I'd open it up on camera like I was asked to. And it is SuperClean. They sent us 2 more of the same. Yep. Figured it'd be a good thing to try before I put the hardtop back on the Jeep. What I want to do is I want to do a side-by-side here. We can figure out how to make it work. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this on. This is not a fair test by any means, because this is really moldy. It's been sitting in the woods for 2 years. I will tell you from past experience that I do prefer this can over the squirt bottle, and I think you can see why. I'm going to give that a minute and then we're going to rinse it off. Just let that rest for a minute. Get the hose. Sorry if this is shaky. The camera I wanted to use, and I haven't used, is the head cam, which would also be shaky, but I wouldn't have to hold it and aim it. That's absolutely dead. Actually, I need to check on that, because last time I plugged that one in, it got really hot, really hot. So give me a second. All right, get the hose out. I'm not holding out high hopes for this because I didn't scrub it. Let's see what happens if I can do this without getting the camera wet. Okay, it looks like we need to get a scrub brush. Damn. All right. First try, failure. I could do this on the Jeep, obviously. I figured I'd make it look a little cleaner before we put it on. Maybe. And they did ask me to test this stuff, so. Anyway. Model T cab. Take a look. I might not even edit this. I might just do the whole thing. It is not 100% clean. but it is a lot better than it was. Here's the after and here's the before. So I got some more scrubbing to do. Yeah, thank you SuperClean for sending that detergent. It's supposed to do grease, so maybe it's not meant to do mold. I don't know. Well, they asked me to put it through its paces, so there you have it. SuperClean. We've got more mail to open. We're going to get to that at some point soon, so stay tuned.